Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It is another beautiful week, and of course in this week we will be checking out all the assets to check out their performance, okay, how they are going to perform throughout this week. Okay, we usually do this once in a week so that we get to know what to do whenever we are trading, and we will be doing this together again. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, and of course we will be checking out the trend, or checking out the analysis from the higher time frame. So you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on lower time frame. So this is very important. So now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm on daily time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the performance. This actually started a downtrend so many weeks ago, I mean an uptrend so many weeks ago. Around here you can see the yellow flag, and of course it kept going up, and of course it played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to a new resistance zone last week. Okay, so just last week it was unable to continue with the uptrend, so it started a downtrend right from there. So we got the downtrend signal and the sell signal, and it has been selling since then. So this is still going to sell more in this week. Okay, so this is going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time, but it came to an end when it got to this resistance zone, and of course it started a downtrend. You can see we got a downtrend signal from here and a sell signal, and ever since it has been selling. Once it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. So we expect more of a selling opportunity for Boom 500 than a buy opportunity. So it's going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so guys, if you have been looking for a way to trade for a very long time, this is an opportunity for you. You can see it right here. That is why this indicator is so unique. Okay, now let's move on, guys. This is Crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for a very long time, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and of course it is still on downtrend at the moment. Okay, so this is still going to be on downtrend at the moment. Okay, and of course let's check out Crash 500 right away. Crash 500 had been, I mean, it was on uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance zone it was unable to go above that. So it started a downtrend which came to an end at this support zone, so it went back, and of course it got to this resistance zone. So right now it is selling, and it will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, and of course the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course it is still on downtrend at the moment, even though it is at the support zone. If it breaks out below it, to keep on selling, but if it is unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back on uptrend. But at the moment it is still on downtrend, not until it is unable to break out below that support zone. That is when it will go fully into an uptrend. So you wait for the necessary signals before you follow up with the uptrend. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you. Okay.